Anopa we miridi enkrata emamo ema ye ni ayehu NDC for decision we take say one of their former regional chairman were very popular microphone no as Alote Jacobs. NDC for say womo is suspended no from NDC party na that is say no Alote Jacobs on to me enko jina baby no to me nsi baby akeke enkasa wo NDC ne sisi aye yi na free party nim na uyo bia you didn't hear that particular breaking news am debremo just go into my videos and see I explain matters me fa asem no every baby a Alote Jacobs on NDC for share say woni omunya asem a NDC for eden semba abonten beka say ma radio stations bia invite Alote Jacobs on the ticket of NDC me de nim na ebremo nini nemu no because Alote Jacob now we were building relationship with these radio stations now still he was being called upon to speak as a social commentator na wakasa as a social commentator no wankasa ma NDC inti MPP ye papa krana wakasa emo NDC so ekodi bone bia wo begina hono wakan because he was speaking as a social commentator na nini nemu no ena wode akwa asem bia NDC fo no susu se dabi de Alote Jacobs wo ye no enya de a NDC ni wo se wo ye mama mo atia se Ghana ha say democracy no adanko dada adoi Ghana ye democracy se na yete no akwa ye se adanko dada adoi ye beka se democracy the major part of democracy freedom of speech ubetumi akande wo pe nanso wonnim na based on democracy who kasa efa wo political party ho a ye be yiwedi. I have told you countless times it's not only with the NDC, it is even with the MPP. There are a lot of MPP people and there ya tro mo assign just because na enyama bi koso wo MPP mu a na enyo mo de ema wo mo kwa kan ema ende ya tro mo assign. There are a lot of people in the NDC as well. Now so nini nemu ya beka we see democracy no me na me ya ne papa now so wo come ho na wo kwa kan bone a ye betwe assign. I have told you the only person as otumi kan bone eno no wo muntumi nya na hwe Kennedy Japan. Wo no pe ena wo hu ne say MPP ye bone na oba bonten beka MPP for intumi ntwe ne nsan aside him so far wo bia mehu bia the political party ye bone na obeka pe ye betwe na so. That is the same thing and there Alote Jacobs wo film no. For me it doesn't show democracy kra any yanka say ye believe in democracy. Ghana ye political parties no na yanka say we don't believe in democracy because we don't provide the fertile grounds for democracy to grow. They be sana you just get glory singers and anchorophobia sebe ye beka say bootlickers sebe just around you because when them say wo ya bone no kan obeyi na bi nti afei papa na obeye ne nkwa and that is what is affecting our governance today in this country because all the presidents are ebasono they just find people sankrofo no president ni ye bone na president ni chia wonka they bia wo be catch president oh president Ghana for say oh yeah there oh president Ghana for because president will need time wo beti radio stations and sankrofo na e briefing no Kwame A+ no ma yete sansem na say you get people on better president Ghana for say aduane ebu why ya dem meanwhile na Ghana for ye complain say aduane ni ho na aduane bo aye din o say na president no glory singers bootlickers in kwa wosro se wokaka say president wo ye say dia wo ye na enye papa dia wo ye say na wo handle assembly no enko ya wosro se wokaka sa de ne pe ye be yi na di nti ono nso wonka. That is the bane adia eha yen or my way no politics no no. For me, I feel say Alote Jacobs as a social commentator, he did really well because I witnessed him for the very first time. NDC for ya de na nya wo no akasa ba bonte meka say we de enye MPP for ya de na nya wo no aba bonte meka say we de enye because he was a social commentator. NDC for say dabi da wo mo mpesa until man suspending from the NDC political party and kasa. Alote Jacob has reacted to now because of Alote Jacob suspension and then NDC for say show na eya Alote Jacob okoso ewo Peace FM eye kokuro ko eye hosted by the chairman general Kwame Sefakan no NDC for say wo nko show ne so na me I have told you say NDC eka se wo nko Kwame Sefakan show so a me enye me na be ha me o omo NDC for na nkasa na be ha omo because election e ba. One of the biggest shows in this country, Kwame Sefakan, one of the biggest morning shows in this country, Kwame Sefakan show no. When they also won koso, na uma MPP for pe e na koso na wokokan. Say me dey bet here MPP no. Una also won ko. Who NDC no also won ko. It's not preventing me, the outsider, from not listening to the show. I'll still listen to the show. Inti so wo mo be so mo adwo mo so mo adwen. But the person at the center of this, Alote Jacobs, what the same about Betudja. Na me ready in some waka na ye ni ayati asye. Because Alote Jacobs has sent the matter to the spiritual realms. I say the truth is that nothing surpasses God. I say ne kre ne say bibi ni wa eson se Nyankopon. I say the God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob, the God of Ishmael. He is one God, nothing surpasses him. I say the faceless, the boneless, the shapeless God. He who says, and it is done in the one I serve. What's the one no? Nyankopon kwa no wasum. Bibi ni wa hesun se Nyankopon. What's say I love God. To all my opponents and enemies, the truth is that don't blame Alote Jacobs. What's it more the assembly to Alote Jacobs? I say ya suspend no. What's in the crane no? Mama of assembly to ne so. Now what person they assembly to be so far assembly to Nyankopon so. What's it don't blame Alote Jacobs. Blame God. It is by his grace and his mercy that I have been where I am. What's it enye Nyankopon wa dom ni ni mobro hu a. Na ko wono Alote Jacobs. Na ko wondu bebi a wedui. It is a Nyankopon adom ene ni mobro hu so na wonu adu ho na woni pada se ne upese wugu ne nimu asenti wo se wo suspend na wono Alote Jacobs so de bibia hye Nyankopon nsa. And that's a very good reply from Alote Jacobs. That is a very good reply from me. I have told you guys, I am against silencing people who are speaking on fair grounds. Obi be bisa again Alote Jacobs aka NDC for wo mo say omukoko apai eden na obi be bisa sa asem no asem ni na ne say NDC for embra mo wa aban mu mokoye green book na mokoye no mo ana mo betro wom say mo ewie hospital we mo esi hospital we ewie yes, hospitals no more CB. Now so yenya sa time the yakasa say the number of hospitals are more claiming say more CB no, that is not the case. Bebre wo ho amun sinwe yen say ade na mo de ahye mu green book mu no enye ne kre NDC for bebo yechi. Enne asema be NDC for say Ekufu make me a story say NDC Mahama eye say wo see hospitals bebre na Ekufu ado entu aso Meka me bo Ekufu ado echi say ade na wo ye no wanya ade because we see 88 new hospitals ade na one year the Mahama aye na ewie but the truth of the matter is emra na Mahama also no hospitals na ende mo ka say yensi wie ye no mo tro wo green book ni mo say mo esi ewie eno na Alote Jacobs ko kan yo ne kre a wo ko kan yenti ese ye koku apai ese yenti bi da meanwhile yesori a we count ourselves as a democratic country. Is this democracy? Yakoye say Idi Amin documentary bi ana mehwe asemo ana o ka tra ne nkrofo ne say yes, there is freedom of speech, but I can't guarantee you your freedom after your speech. Asemo ana Idi Amin wo taika etre nkrofo Idi Amin ni wo die wusa asemo ana o taika tre nkrofo no say yes kasa de wonu Idi Amin de won so mu se men kasa o kasa utumi kasa di na tem kasa bia wono Idi Amin ya ade na enye papa utumi kasa etre ne say Idi Amin de wa ye enye ye entwa ye utumi ka nanso wo ke wi a se ubenya sa freedom ni biom no eno na ya ade a wontumi guarantee na tre say wo ke wi ye na wo kwa kokun. This is the same thing. Freedom of speech aloteje ko wakasa but wo kan wi ye no pa say freedom onya ade ye. Try to comment box. That's it.